Hey, good afternoon, everyone. AA4CB here with a new radio, new to me. Just opened up. Figured I'd shoot a video, see what is in here. Do the unboxing video. Then we'll do a Mars mod video and operations video. First thing we see is a ham radio outlet. Yep, got the bill. Pretty penny. Get that box out of here. Hey, nice looking box. Okay, yeah, that's the one I ordered. Okay, let's open her up. Gently. Cardboard here. Get that open. Oh, look at that. How to open the box after you open the box. Very good. What do we have? We have the owner's manual, operating manual. I'm sure there's other manuals online. And we have a cheat sheet. New functions of the FTM 500DR. Okay, this is the American version, in case anybody have any doubts. Let's start with the small stuff. DC power cord, check. Brand new microphone in a bag, and new model that they got. SSM85D. Okay. Microphone bracket. Whole ton of screws. And some fuses. So when you plug it in backwards, you'll have your second chance to recover it. Let's see what else we got here. There you go. Okay. Cool. Got that nice tape screen protector on the front. And a new bracket. I'm liking this new bracket. Mount the bracket and the radio slides in. You can mount it upside down or downside up, don't matter. It slides right in to the track. Okay. Bunch of buttons on top, a little bit different from the FTM 400. Instead of buttons on the side of the screen, they got them on the top of the head there. Only thing I'm disappointment so far is that there is no long faceplate cable. But rumor has it, go out and get yourself a decent Cat 5, Cat 6 cable, and it will do the same. Looking at the back of the radio, the connector for the antenna, for VHF and UHF, all out of one connector. This is new. External speaker B, external speaker A. I'm going to assume that one does the A band, one does the B band. That's cool. Data, 10-pin digital Yaesu 10-pin. Excellent for using the radio as a Y as X node, or using it for a remote, or anything like that. Okay, my next video, I think we're going to go power it up, do the mod, and see what's happening. FTM 500 from Yaesu. Looks nice. Thank you. 7-3. Catch you in the next video from AA4CB.